takes so
Yeah, don't worry about it. We got time. What time is it? Oh, I still have 2 hours. Oh. And
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taina. And for today's video, we're doing something a little special. For today's video, we're going to have Haitian cake. It's probably one of the best cakes out there. It's just so tasty, so many like spices in there. You'll see it later on in the video. It's a great gift to bake and give to someone because it's just so good and everyone just loves it. I love it, my friends love it. Yeah, you'll enjoy it. Okay, so now I will show you the ingredients we'll be using today. So first we have 2 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I actually have like a flour just for pastries. And then we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. We have the 3 large eggs, so the whites and the yolks are separated. We have 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Actually, this is salted butter. And then we have 1 cup of evaporated milk. We have 2 tablespoons of rum, 1.5 teaspoons of lime zest. This is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 2 teaspoons of noyo. So this is noyo and this is almond extract. They're the same things, but just slightly different. Okay, so now we've preheated the oven at 350 degrees Celsius. And then we'll just cream together the sugar and the butter until it's smooth. So butter is in. This is So while my butter and my sugar is mixing together in my KitchenAid mixer, I'm just going to sift together all our dry ingredients. So right now I'm putting my nutmeg into my flour, and then I will add my salt, I will add my baking powder, and mix all that together so that we can eventually incorporate it into the wet ingredients. Okay, so we're just going to add the lime and the rum together. We just mixed it. Let's just show you. We just mixed it together and let it sit just so that it could, you know, simmer in the flavors. So we're gonna add that, beat, and then add the other flavors, I guess, afterwards. Ingredients. Okay, so now we're gonna add el vanille. Beautiful. This is some real good vanilla extract, okay? Straight from Haiti. All Haitians out here know it's better than the ones that you get it at Walmart, right? 100%. I'm just going to scrape the sides just because I'm feeling like the sides over there are not getting all the love.
It doesn't look like they are. They look a bit white.
Right?
I mean, there's nothing wrong with looking a bit white, but when you're cooking, the paler, the worse it is.
Exactly.
Honestly, though, maybe something that you can cook.
But like the
pit.
Going to add, so first the almond extract. Let me actually just put almond extract. I'm going to, actually I still have a little bit of vanilla.
I remember that.
So here's the noyo. It smells amazing.
It really does.
I'm gonna mix it with the remainder of.
I'm gonna see my. God.
With the remainder of the vanilla extract that was stuck at the bottom, and then here we go. So now we're going to add our egg yolks one at a time, or we're going to try since one of them is broken. So here's the first one. That one broke too. So now we're going to add the second one, or another third of this egg yolk mixture. Oh boy.
I swear they were whole at some point.
I think they got stuck together.
Yeah.
Then we're going to add the rest.
I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone. Too much shoes. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day. What a day.
So before we start adding all of our flour and our evaporated milk, just gonna scrape it. Scrape it again. Scrape. So now we are going to add part of our flour. A third of my evaporated milk. That was more than half.
Something knows that he knows nothing at all. Does it seem colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall? If we were made in his image and call us by our names, those intellects do not believe in God, but hear us just the same.
So I'm just going to transfer the batter to this bowl so that I can use the stand mixer to beat the white eggs into a stiff beak.
Mouvement samba bleu. Oh. Mouvement samba bleu. Apport qui t'aime tomber pour qu'il pas lever me souffler. 5 heures du matin fin passé ou pas bon côté. Mandé qui ça me faire, affection pas de bord. Pour son parti bien loin, m'a pu chercher, m'passe à vivre sans vous. Pour faire plaisir, j'ai retourné dans la vie. Encore, senti que me brisé. Besoin caresse, soulager lui. Comme un besoin force ou besoin parfum. Bébé, levé, doudou. Pas quitter.
Alright, so we kind of messed up the first go around. So we're gonna do this again. This is our last 3 eggs. So this better work. So these are our egg whites in a clean pot. Okay, clean pot.
Apparently that's important.
Yeah, don't be lazy. Clean. We're gonna get this started.
Baby, no, mouvement samba, mouvement samba, oh qui t'aime tomber, mais qu'elle m'a craché, mouvement samba, mouvement samba,
Chérie, écoutez. Ou qui t'aime tomber, my love. Ou pas qu'on qui laisse bien. Côté moyen, qui côté m'caché. C'est moi qui t'écrasé là, mon nom. Pas moi en chance, une dernière chance. Oh, pas qui t'aime tomber.
baby, no, mouvement samba,
Oh, mouvement samba bleu.
oh qui t'aime tomber,
Qui t'aime tomber.
qu'elle m'a craché, mouvement samba,
Mouvement samba.
mouvement samba,
Mouvement samba bleu. Let's go. Speed. Ou pas qu'à faire ça. Ou pas qu'à faire ça. Bah c'est choix là. Tagadam, 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 tagadam. Oui. Mais bout de tête, yaya.
pas nan a. Mais bout de yaya nan, yaya sa file. Dans le bouillon notre là. Bon, deux pas de.
Now we're going to fold this into this. Let's do it like this.
Oh, that looks great.
Tout ménage yo deux pas de. Nous pas font bail là. Souka souke 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 souke. 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 Souka souke souke souke. Come on. Est-ce qu'on ka fait comme ça? Eh ben Bendy, j'en ai galopé à. Ou quoi au capable? Ou pas qu'à faire ça? Je délouche. Ou même encore. Ah c'est choix là. Tagadap. Hey, hey. Pas femme ça pas fort.
So now we're going to separate it. I have two 8-inch pans. These are about half an inch thick or wide. And then just gonna separate the batter into these two, bake them for 25 to 30 minutes or until, like a trick that you can do is take a toothpick or like a knife and then dip it into the batter while it's in the oven, and then when it comes out clean, you know it's cooked through.
Wow. The more you know.
Yeah. Okay. So we have our two pans. Boop, boop. And we're going to just, like I said, bake them for 25 to 30 minutes. So, this is the final result of how our cake looks like. Doesn't look that great, but I didn't really have a lot of time to decorate it and make it look how I wanted. Either way, the cake ended up tasting really good. I really loved this recipe. I've used it for years. My family loved it. This cake, I tell you, it did not last 2 days in our house. It was gone. And it's a family of 5. Was gone by the second day. It's really good. I really urge you to try this recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from me. Bye!